Baliktad, baliktad. Huwag mo na siyang tanggalin dito. Baliktad po. Tignan mo, mas malaki itong pababa. Baliktad. Ikot mo ganyan. Yung kay Nuna naman, yung kay Nuna naman.
Okay, everyone, here is their materials.
Ate.
Materials. Look at their materials. Now, teacher, put it back. One, now, teacher, put it back. Dad, come on. You be my little helper today. Andrew. No. Come on, we have several times, Andrew. You know what to do. Here. When we do time, it's a circle time. Okay, that's it. Okay, everybody, wait for me at the circle time.
Punta na ikaw sa kaya dito. Ate Bianca. Doon. Doon ko lang picture dali. Punta ka doon ko lang.
Let's go to the rubber band. Okay, let's go back. Everybody hold hands. Stand, let's go. Let's hold hands. You hold my hand. You hold my hand. Come. You want to drink? Water later. Hey, come on. Let's go. Yeah, later. Okay, everybody hold hand and Spider. Do you know the song Incy Wincy Spider? You know the song?
Yes.
It's okay. Okay. Martha, sing it. Do you know the song Incy Wincy Spider? Okay. Gab, let's sing the Incy Wincy Spider. Okay, everybody. Everybody, look at teacher Nana. Okay. Yay. Okay. Follow teacher. The thing is Incy Wincy Spider. Incy Wincy Spider went up the water spout.
Ate, sing ikaw.
Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. So the Incy Wincy Spider went up the spout again. Okay, one more time. I want to see everybody. You know the song? Huh? You know the song again. Incy Wincy Spider went up the water
Ate.
spout.
Ganun ikaw.
Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. So the Incy Wincy Spider went up the spout again. Okay, how about I'm a little teapot? Who knows the song? Who knows the song? Okay, you follow teacher. Okay. Adi, look at me. Okay, I'm a little teapot, short and stout. Here is my handle and here is my spout. When the water's boiling, hear me shout. Lift me up and pour me down. Okay, what song do you know? Up, down? Okay. Wait. Sam, come here. Okay. How about the ABC? Let's all sit down. Sit on the floor. Okay, everybody sit on the floor. Sit down. Cross your legs. Okay, everybody. Okay. Jump up. Okay. Yes. Okay, Jim, sit down. Okay, teacher was showing something. Okay, everybody. Sit down na lang with teacher. Okay, Sam, sit down. Everybody sit down. Okay, everybody. Okay, sit down. Okay. I have a magic box here.
Ate, look at teacher, ate. Ate, look at teacher,
I have a magic box here. Everybody set your lips. I will not talk and I will not start. Everybody, this, you have to listen to teacher. Okay. Teacher will show you a magic box. Okay? I will show you a magic box. Okay, this is my magic box. And it's called, Sandra, you know this one already. Sit down. Sit down beside me. Okay. I have here 3. Very good. Okay, I have here different colors. Can you
Bianca, look at teacher, Bianca. Look at teacher.
Okay.
Look at teacher.
You tell me if it's the same, okay? Okay. You tell me if it's the same. Is it the same? No, very good. How about here? No. How about here? Yes. So what's the color? What's the color? What's the color? What's the color? Stan, what's the color? What's the color? Blue. Say blue. Okay. How about you? Stan, wait. Wait. What teacher? Because I will call you one by one. Okay? I will call you one by one. Okay. How about here? Is it the same? No. How about here? Yes. What's the color? What's the color this one? Yellow. Very good. Here.
Tingin ikaw kay teacher. Tingin ikaw kay teacher.
Wait, Stan. Here. Is it the same? No. How about here? No. Here. Yes. Okay. Can you tell me what color? No. Very good. Very good. Okay. Who wants to try? Ashley, you want? Okay. Okay. Wait. Ashley first.
Bianca, listen to teacher, Bianca.
Okay.
Listen to teacher, listen.
Where's the partner of that one? Blue. Where's the color blue? You get the big color blue. Get the color blue. Here. Wait. Wait. Oh, you put it here. There. How about this one? What color? Red. Okay. Where's the partner of color red? Where's the partner here?
Bianca, behave. Listen to teacher, Bianca.
Wow. Very good. How about this one? What color? What